What is my favorite snack? It's a large variety. Like if you choose one, I'm gonna give you it.
I know one of them is applesauce.
Okay.
Like cereal,
Okay.
Go-Gurt.
What's my favorite piece of clothing, like to wear? Like is it sneakers, pants, hoodie?
A watch. Something on your head. It
Yes.
don't have to be a hat though, but
Hat.
something to help.
Yes, I do like a belt.
You like stolen arts a
Yeah,
lot,
there's
you know
one
what
thing
I'm
I'm
saying,
looking
Sean?
for that, like I personally think.
Grills. Bags.
Yes.
Bags, bro.
Bags. Watches.
Bags.
Belt. Yeah, watch number one. Belts probably. I mean, bags probably the second one. What is my worst habit? Like what's something?
Yo,
like,
worst habit? When you come into my room on stream, you like to jump on my desk, man. Stop doing that. You broke the camera last time. That's